Bamboo has been an integral part of human civilization since time immemorial and plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. It was used extensively by the ancient Manipuris, irrespective of caste, community or religion. The ancient Manipuris used to cut baby's placenta with cutter made of bamboo during childbirth. There were tools made of bamboo which were used for various purposes. Bamboo farmers of Lamdang in Infal West grows more than 7 varieties of bamboo, some of which are medicinal and food items. Bamboo is also a great material for constructing house and various structures such as fencing, a vine house, etc. Altogether, more than 20 varieties of bamboos are grown all over the hill districts of Manipur. The state government's policy to scientifically enhance the quality and quantity of bamboo produced in India, particularly in Manipur by organizing the 3rd National Bamboo Workshop in the state is commendable. However, no bamboo farmer was invited to the workshop. Asem Pramananda, a bamboo farmer of Lamdang Awang Laikai said that, apart from growing bamboo and preserving it in traditional way, they have not received any scientific training or workshop initiated by the department concerned. He and the other farmers in the area have grown bamboo for more than a decade in traditional way till date, he further added.
Program tang yaw na bagi sinbi lok sulute simbi usulite kemta jiktauri ba jiktauri di tai ko adu moina admaina information moina pau pir ko sulite akoida ade akoi yaw jara gadi akoina khangba akoi adigi akoina khangdaba mayam su akoi khangjaw gani ba mayam adu da yaw jara gadi hojikti wa yokotpa digi kana tawba wa je document akoina punchi oina khodi wa je tawraga hingjari ne ba ko adu moi mari lene ba kanu jingjina Karimta yingbi kopi da tobi dabji nungai jade simadi yanganingi ko koi moi department jingna koi wa kanu toriba jingjida kari mateng panghaning mu jingda koi layeba.
We are standing here in a place called Lamdang, which is some 7 kilometers away from Infal. In this place grows more than 10 varieties of bamboo, but the bamboo growers are suffering due to the lack of assistance that is supposed to be provided by the state government and the concerned authorities. In order to increase the quality and to increase the production of bamboo, the farmers draw the attention of the authorities concerned and the state government. With camera person Lamjingbatomtv News, Lamdang.